Yo, big up to the Albanian Hip Hop Association. I go by the name of John Tarifa. I'm working 9 to 5 at night, wishing that a day had more than 24 hours so I can finally lay back. I take rap a little bit too seriously. There's too many rappers who don't in this industry. Anyway, my days repeat themselves. Each CD that sells only tells me there's a slight increase in sales, and the record label fails to do what they promise, and you get pushed right off the rails. Now you're left with nothing but the urge to bite your nails, stuck in Babylon like you in jail. All you got is a story to tell. Oh well, another lesson learned. Keep your head up, carry the torch, and let Babylon get burned. Shout out to the Albanian Hip Hop Association. I'm just here having a freestyle conversation. So all you listeners out there, listen up. And all you fake MCs, please stop, it's enough. Cause we don't wanna hear that whack stuff no more. We just want a culture to grow, that's all. One love to all my people back home. I convey my love in the form of a rap song. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, Albanian Hip Hop Association. That'll give you access to more of the good stuff. John Tarifa signing off. Peace.